Hello guys, this is Vysh. So this video is yet another walkthrough video of Vysh IS test material because many students when they see the material they realize that what they are missing out. So that's why we keep showing samples nowadays. We have already given one free test to everybody. The April month current affair was given for free when we reach the 45,000 subscribers. So now again at every milestone I'll give you a free test like this, but every serious aspirant should enroll to a proper disciplined course so that every month they get the respective month test and they can practice it in a disciplined way, because we have already given you 100-day timetable, 365-day timetable. Depending on the batch you are preparing for, we are doing the best we can, and every student are liking it also. I'll show you the feedback also, WhatsApp feedback today from various students. So free MCQ samples, in the sense in community tab we are already posting questions every day, and the last 5 questions which I posted yesterday were everything picked up from this May month current affair, okay, May 2020. So I will show the walkthrough of that PDF so we can discuss those 5 questions in detail today. That is about that one. And who should buy this? May 2020 is the either 2020 students who are not enrolled to ICIS till now, and also the 2021 students, because in your package the first test is actually June 2020, okay, because May June is actually the transition period, okay. That's how every year batches are designed. June to May, 12 months is what a batch is getting in the original test package, okay. So you have to buy this May month or all the older ones, okay, because I have already given in the brochure like 12 months of previous year, 24 months of previous years, 36 months of previous year. You can buy any number of current affairs, but this is specifically the May month sale alone. So April, May together we will be giving April, May 300-page PDF, 200 detailed MCQs, that is 100 each for each month. And below the May month thing, if you see here, this is the index of the May month. 100 MCQs are there. Then after that, notes are there, usual, which is already which part of every month. Okay, this notes which you see extra snippets is part of every month, but additional is this thing. Okay, the economic stimulus packages. I'll show you the walkthrough today. Okay, what and all is like, what it look like. Okay, because it's a paid package, obviously will not be teaching you here. This video is just a small video to show you a glance of it. So these are the things. This is actually one of the first feedback which we got when we gave the timetable. Okay, like 5 days, I think June 11th we started it, so June 16th or something. By that time students have started giving replies. So after this was given by one of the students, I made a video. So when that video was out, more students came with their responses. Okay, so these are like, again, if you see, I can't believe within 10 days I completed Spectrum half and NCERT 678 geography, because this is what actually today, June 30, you are expected to finish this. Okay, I can show you that parallelly. The 365 days timetable, this is the timetable which I gave you to study. Okay, so if you see here, June 19th it started. So in this 10 days, a person who is enrolled to ICIS, they have done this. All these free videos are also there in my channel. So you have done this and you have done the revision of Spectrum and NCERT by this time. Now July 1, tomorrow, what you will do? You will start the 12th standard NCERT. So students have no tension now. They exactly know what book to take and study. So like this now, June 5, they will give their test. They will get their first 2 tests, PT1 and PT2, and that also 4 days I'm giving, and it will be like revising the things which you already read. Okay, so students are going to enjoy this whole session. You can watch the full video. I cannot show it again. This has about 16 tabs covering one full year. Okay, 365 days. What you need to do exactly each day. So students are giving this thing feedback like this. If you see, the timetable you gave is very helpful. I could have a clear idea of what to study. That is what students were getting confused, like what should I study each day. It's really helpful, really satisfied with the course. Thank you so much. Then here, see, some I am working, have a family, and like this planning. Okay, planning pressure, that is what we have avoided for you. We have given you what you should have ideally done, thinking, going through the syllabus and deciding. Okay, see here, there is no confusion thinking what to study. Just cover the portion mentioned in the timetable. So that is what I'm telling you. Every student, if you join YCIS, you are going to sit and study everything for 2-3 times by the end of 1 year. Okay, and proper test is given at regular intervals. So you will revise everything too many times that you will be on par with anybody who studies from any coaching institute in this country. Okay, and we have kept the price as like, I think 1/10 of the market price of bigger coaching institute. So you can again go through the brochures and all these things. If you have not received, let me know. Okay, just WhatsApp me or email me. I'll tell you how to get the brochures and which all videos to watch before you decide joining YCIS. Okay, I hope these many samples and things itself will give you the answers to it, but still. So the mistakes done by students, that also I'll tell you before going to the document. Students, what they do is they see this. Okay, I have students who I term as enquiry specialist. Okay, there are students who in June month, every year June month when the course begins, they will come and ask, sir, what is the price? I'm interested, but I'm arranging money, I will come back to you. It's totally fine. We can also understand that everybody cannot like immediately come and buy whatever is there. So we give them installment options, we give them extended dates, we give them everything what is needed to them. But then what happens is, then they message, then they go away. Then after 3 months, when maybe August 15th or something, we'll put out an Independence Day offer. So again that time they will come, sir, I was the one who inquired, now I want to enroll. But after a few days, no payment, no enrollment. Then December, Christmas time, then New Year time, then next March, every time when the notification comes, people for 1 year they are coming and inquiring. I'm not telling they're not studying anything, they might be studying from other materials, all fine. But if you are interested in Vysh IAS, you cannot postpone this like this, because we are designing a schedule for you. Okay, it's not like one day you buy and then go get some 50-60 tests together and then sit and study everything. It will not work. Okay, unless you are some expert or you are a person who are preparing UPSC for 5 years, 6 years and all, you cannot grasp all the tests together. Okay, it's humanly possible, but it's not nice to do that way. That's why I'm telling, please don't be such a person who takes poor decisions, who do bad investments, who have the incorrect approach. Okay, like that's what I told. If you like Vysh IAS, buy it. If you don't like Vysh IAS, don't buy it. It's simple. Okay, don't keep coming and inquiring, because we don't delete your chats. Okay, we keep your chats from the day one which you do, so we can scroll and see like you have been inquiring throughout the year. I know students who bought it like this week. Okay, that student was in my contact list since last June. I don't know what kept him so much like this much delay to buy this now. Okay, so that is what I'm telling. Please don't be that student who sees entire thing throughout the year. At the end of the year, you regret what you have done, and then come and buy everything together, and maybe you will not finish it also. And after the exam, you will come and blame us like, sir, your test was like too much lengthy, I could not complete it, it had too many details. It obviously will have too many details, because we are claiming it as the biggest test series, we are claiming it as the biggest content which is given in this country. Okay, so obviously it will have too much content. So please enroll when it is given on time. Okay, now also, like, just because you saw June 19th it started and it became June 30, don't worry about that. You can adjust the timings here and there, because one full year is there in front of you. Okay, this 10-11 days whatever got over, you can catch up, because these tests are yet to happen. Spectrum test is yet to happen, NCERT test is yet to happen. That days again you can start reading it, again you can keep my test beside and start reading. So don't worry, like just 2 weeks it crossed, it's not a big deal. Okay, people are joining like 1 month before the exam, you are just 2 weeks late in the starting phase. Okay, so it's not an issue. This enrollment will continue throughout the year, so you can enroll at any time. Don't worry about 365 days already started. Okay, then current affair packs, I'll tell that also first itself, so that then students don't have any confusion. This is what is part of 2021 batch. Okay, everybody who have enrolled to 365 days package, this is part of your course already. Okay, so you don't have to worry about these 12 months, June 2020 to 2021 May. But 2020 students, you don't need to buy this now. Okay, I think maybe June, July, August, separate 3 months you can buy separately, because now exam got extended. But 2020 batch, for you in your package, this thing is involved. Okay, but 2021 batch, you will not have anything which is shown below. Okay, the second row and third row is not part of your course, the first row course. Okay, so you people have to come and buy this, because UPSC questions are coming from older current affair. Still, if you don't want full, you want only the May month, that is what this video will be giving you. April month already I gave you, May month is 129 rupees, you can buy this. Okay, so this is part of the 2020 prelims test series. So 2020 students don't buy, but 2021 students, you have to come and buy. Now going to the PDF, this is how the answer PDF will be like, and this is how the question PDF will be like. Question PDF is simply for you to attempt. Okay, like you will not know answer, you will not know what to do. So like this, many questions are there, 100 questions are there, and in the answer PDF, it will have not only the answers, but it will have extra notes. So if you see, this much detail is the answer given to you, and after every answer, a news link is given. This news link, if you click, it will take you to the Hindu or Indian Express or wherever from we have taken this content. Okay, and we have covered almost every newspaper and every PIB which is possible. Okay, so this is how it is made. Vysh IAS, every test is made like this. So this one you can go through, but better I'll show you 5 questions today as a sample. Before I'll show you this thing. If you see here, stimulus package 1, 2, 3, you click on anything. Suppose you go and click on package 2. It will take you to the page where package 2 is mentioned. So if you see here, these are the notes which I mentioned. See, it was about, I think, agriculture and food. So food grain supply, one nation, this one, ration card, affordable housing, credit facility. These are the things announced here. Now if you go back to this thing and click on maybe package 3, see, In bullet point form, notes is given. Okay. Again, go back to table of contents, package 5. See this? PIB Hindu Indian Express, from where we have taken that link is also given. So you can read the original newspaper also, and you can read the notes also. And see the page count. If you see the page count here, it is 182. It's actually 100 pages of MCQs and around 80 pages of notes. Okay. So that is how it is designed. Any sectional also you can see. See if you see Union Ministry schemes. That is in May month, Union Ministry, what all schemes they have done. So if you see here, cabinet related, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Defense, and these things which you see, right, these are common to every current affair test. Students don't know that. Students come and buy 129, the next time I put April 129, like that you simply waste money on that. Instead, come and enroll to the full package so that you get quality material. Okay, you will not regret by joining Vysh. That is my promise. This is how it is. Now let's solve some questions. If you go to YouTube, these are the questions which we posted. So the first question. So this one answer is right actually. People have given 1, 2, 3. It is right. Okay, this Saharan silver ant. It is the world's fastest ant. This one is actually in Western Ghats. It's a purple frog. It was in news last year also. Then this Pinanga Andaman is, you know, this in Andaman Nicobar. And yesterday one student came and commented like, you are putting irrelevant questions. UPSC will not ask such questions. So any of these, okay, you can go and simply search UPSC previous year papers. You have already asked, like in Andaman Nicobar, a rare banana plantation was found, discovered. So they did not mention the place. They just told rare orange banana plantation is discovered in India. Which part of India? And answer was Andaman Nicobar. That is one of the question. Then again frog related one question was there. Frog and I think silkworm, something like that. Then again this fastest or national aquatic animal or state butterfly. These kind of questions come every year. Okay, UPSC is repeatedly asking. So these are relevant questions. So we have been doing this since last 3-4 years. So we know what question is right or wrong. So students who come and comment such things, please go and see the previous year papers. Now how will this look like in the test? You have to simply search for it in this PDF, silver ant, Saharan silver ant. This is how it will look like. So if you see here, each of the thing, why there is no news link for this? Because we don't want you to learn anything extra more than what we have given, because these are environmental related topics for which some needed questions UPSC will ask, and that we have covered in bullet points. So if you see 3 different paragraphs, silver ant, the purple frog, and below this this one, rare palm from South Andaman. Okay, see that whatever is needed we have cut pasted for you from the newspapers. So this is how this question will look like. So the answer is 1, 2 and 3. Next question we'll see. I'll discuss 5 questions today. Red Army. Red Army is related to which success model in India for fighting the COVID situation? So this is actually, I don't know why 73% people have given Kerala, just because they saw the like a model state or something maybe. That is true, but this Red Army is not related to Kerala. It is Northeast. Answer is actually D. But if you see, only 14% students have answered it correctly. So if you go to the PDF again and search for that, Red Army is related to Northeast. So that also I've given notes with the Hindu newspaper article. So it's a Hindu news item. Okay, so May month you did not read this news item, so you did not see it. So that is why I'm telling you, always join a good test series so that whatever you miss, it will be covered through the test series. Okay, but don't stop reading newspapers. So this is how it is. Third question. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy launched a scheme to solarize this thing, Sun Temple. So Sun Temple, I purposely put this question because 3-4 times UPSC have asked about the name of some temples. Last year they gave 3 names of temples, I think Omkareshwara and some Modera and something, and they asked like which of the following are Sun temples or which of the following are located where. Okay, that much detail they asked about Sun Temple. That is why I framed this question. It is in news also in May month. And here the answer, Konark in Odisha, is actually correct answer. Okay. Oh, sorry. So if I go back to the PDF, Modhera, which is in Gujarat. See here. So the news plus the explanation, and see extra list of sun temples also I gave. So next time when UPSC ask a match the following, you will be knowing the locations. Okay, 12 famous sun temples in India. It's an Indian Express article. Based on that only this question is framed. So students who are telling like this is irrelevant, it's not coming in news, it is like UPSC will not ask, please check the newspapers and the previous year papers. Okay, entire notes of Konark is there. So next time any question comes on Konark Sun Temple, you can answer it. Similarly, in our art and culture test, most of the questions will be there about Modera and the Smarthan temple and all. Next question. tea. Okay, this Kangra tea, which was in news because of GI tag also. It is like suggested, okay, for lowering the corona impact and all. So it has got GI tag from Himachal Pradesh. That is true statement. Second one, it is an indigenous tea variety developed by Indians in the early Vedic days. That is false. The answer here is actually one only. Okay, it's actually one only. It is not a old Indian variety. It's actually a Chinese variety, and I think the Britishers introduced it in around 1848. Okay, we can confirm that. In test, we'll go and see this. Kangra. Okay, here the answer is one only. So if you see here in explanation, I have underlined Chinese variety that was first planted in 1848. More questions are here. I think this is also next question. UNEP campaign. Not all animals. This also was in news, and the answer is Wildlife Control Crime Control Bureau. So explanation of what that body is, that is given first. After that, the news item is given, and in the news item again they are mentioning about this biodiversity and all these things. So related to that, whatever is needed, that body is also explained here. So like this, every body, every news, whatever, and this is taken from PIB, exactly from PIB. Okay, that should be the next question. Yeah. So if you see again, people have answered National Board of Wildlife. That is why I'm telling it's okay to make mistakes, but it's not okay to not learn them. Okay, again more questions are here. This may be in another video I'll show you, because this is not from May month current affair. Okay, these questions, but please go and attempt it. If you see only 360 people have attempted, with 45,000 subscribers in this channel, if only 360 people are attempting questions, you are not practicing things right. Okay, so see to it that you come and check out this. So this one will have 200 detailed MCQs, 200 pages, 100 pages extra notes, okay, in total in April plus May month PDFs. It is designed for UPSC only, not for other exams and all. So questions will be UPSC model. So 129 rupees, you can get 2 tests. Okay, like economic survey I gave 1 test, now like 2 tests for 129. This is must buy for every aspirant, 2020, 21, 22. 20, if you are my student, don't buy this, because you have already in this thing in your package. Okay, today you will receive it. 2021-22, you have to buy this because it's not part of your original test series package. So WhatsApp me, this is the number, and please subscribe to this channel, because the number of videos in July mid onwards is going to increase. Okay, every day I'm going to put out videos of lectures. Those who don't subscribe will not be able to see those free videos. Okay, so hope all the things which I told is clear. Any more doubts, you can let me know in comment section, or again like in WhatsApp, you saw the feedback, like that you can come and give your feedback in WhatsApp. Okay, so enjoy learning, please take it seriously. Thank you and have a nice day.